everybody, it's Mrs. Brady, and I have a fun activity that you can do with your families since the weather's getting nicer, and we're going to make bubble snakes today. And what you need are a shallow bowl or a dish. I have a plastic container. Water, I put about 2 cups of water in here, lukewarm water, dish soap, a good squirt, food dye if you want to make colored snakes or rainbows, plastic bottle, which we probably have lying around your house, an old sock. You can use a rubber band or a hair elastic or even duct tape to adhere it, and scissors, which your parent's going to do. So the first thing you're going to do has this empty water bottle. You're going to have an adult cut off the end, and then you just discard that part, and then you're going to take an old sock and put it over the end. The water bottle might get crushed a little bit, but you can fix it. You're going to take off the cap, and what you're going to do is put it in the soapy water, and Bobby's going to show you how to make a bubble snake.
Okay.
So he's put it in the water, and he's going to blow, and he's making a bubble snake. How cool is that? It's super easy to make. And then what you can also do is add some food coloring. Now, I didn't secure mine with a rubber band. It's a pretty small sock, but if you needed to, you can use this. But then you can add food coloring. If you're adding food coloring, make sure you're wearing play clothes. You can add all sorts of colors, and then let's see if we can make a rainbow snake. All right, Bobby. And lots of fun to do with your family. Bye.